lot of DC niggas debate a lot of visual novels like Masadaverse, Umineko, etc. Demon Bane,
What DC characters do you like?
Flash, Superman usually. You know, that's one. I have some sort of Mandrake.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck, what else? Spectre, Doctor Fate, Nabu. You know.
And then visual. How strong are the visual novels, people, so you can get a fair matchup?
Demon Bane and Masadaverse are out of Versal, yeah. Just a bit of a baseline.
Anything else?
Well, Umineko's like strongest verse in fiction, so just to let you know. So yeah.
Okay, and but you used Starbrand last time I debated you. You don't use Marvel at all?
No, I never argued anything about Starbrand. I don't know anything about Starbrand.
Well, some guy named Chiraq debated me on Starbrand, so I guess there's anher Chiraq running around, which is weird.
Fuck? That's weird.
Yeah, Naya. I was literally just talking to Naya about it.
That was
what the hell?
That was sarcasm, dude.
I mean, I do know some Marvel scaling, but I hardly ever debate it, like ever. So yeah.
All right, so we could do. I guess we could do either Flash against EU Luke Skywalker or against Snow Whale. Which fade do you want?
Use comp or just
Snow Whale, bro?
Snow Whale.
Yeah.
Dusty blows.
I could use just Flash in general.
I guess post crisis.
Only post crisis. I don't really have anything just post crisis.
What flashes do you want?
Flashes do I want? Shit, probably just like, yeah, post crisis. We call it like Golden Age, Silver Age, and God of Death. Yeah, that's it.
I'm sorry.
All right, so which do you want to face? Do you want to face Luke Skywalker EU composite, or would you like to face the Snow Whale?
Who the fuck is the Snow Whale?
It's from Elder Scrolls.
From Elder Scrolls. Oh, composite EU Luke Skywalker.
All right,
who are you more confident with?
I'm gonna clap you with either, so it doesn't matter. But
clap me with either. Oh boy.
Yep.
All right.
So,
well, I mean, I'll just do Luke Skywalker because I know you're pretty confident. What should we call it? Star Wars. Yeah. So, yeah, we can do that.
Okay. Well, you want to go first?
Well, are we doing like speed and like AP and shit like that?
Yeah. So I guess you could just start with why you think Flash is gonna win.
Well, I mean, Flash is just gonna blitz. EU Luke Skywalker like infinite times over because of Well, first of all, he has irrelevant speed based on he outran the Black Racer. And the Black Racer just chills in the God Sphere, which is a platonic realm. So yeah.
That's cool. Anything else?
And as far as AP goes, he should be at least Universal Plus. He's able to swap hands and fight against niggas like Superman. And Superman has feats of destroying space like continuum, surviving, and getting in the universe, so on and so forth. Yada 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 yada.
Okay.
So yeah, he just blitz.
All right. First off, he's not going to blitz. I'll go ahead and get into the scaling. So these Bedlam Spirits are bare minimum high hyperversal. Now, the reason this is relevant, I'm posting my scans in Star Wars, by the way. You can post scans too. So
Star Wars what now?
These Bedlam Spirits in Star Wars, they're bare minimum high hyperversal, as they exist in every possible dimension and create all the concepts within every possible dimension.
Every possible dimensions and spatial dimensions in parallel.
It is every dimension. It's infinite dimensional.
Infinite dimensional. Can you post scan to these, please? Oh, Star Wars. What the fuck?
Yeah, I already posted.
What the? Oh, okay. To transdimensional beings of hyperspace. What? Why does this quote? Oh wait, hold on. Is it the bottom quote as well?
Yeah, I was going to explain that after you read the first one.
For existence itself, the fairy fabric. What? How does any of this imply it's infinite dimensional? Please.
All right, so transdimensional, it means it exists across every possible dimension. There are infinite dimensions. Not only
There's infinite
is
dimensions in
there,
Star Wars.
hold on. Yes. Not only is there in Star
Can I
Wars
see that,
within
please?
itself, yes, hold on, but it's also in Marvel. Marvel is confirmed to have infinite dimensions. I don't know if you know that, but
Star Wars is Marvel. It's all the novels and everything connected to Marvel specifically. Because I also know that.
these were seen in the comics. I'll give you some of the comics right now.
Okay. All right. Sure.
Here you go. And in these scans themselves, you can see the Bedlam spirits creating actual concepts found within the dimensions. For example, shapes.
Shapes. The concept of shapes. I mean, those are just like really fodder as concepts. You know.
They're
No,
still
does it really
concepts.
like matter?
You
But,
mentioned, I remember you mentioning Platonic concepts. So if we want to, we could say, they created the Platonic
well, I
concept.
mean, was it all concepts? Or was it just some concepts? Even if it was
They've created multiple.
Hold on. Even if it was like infinite concepts, that still wouldn't be universal. You do realize that?
Well, if you do realize that if they are the only ones to create that concept that exists within any
what
dimension,
concepts do they create
they were the first
specifically?
one. Like shapes, the Platonic concept of shapes.
Platonic concepts. What proves it's platonic?
They are the ones to create it, and that is found within any possible dimension.
Any
So they have
possible?
to be outside of that. Do you know what a
platonic at all.
platonic? Do you know what a platonic concept is?
Yes, I do.
What is it?
Yeah, I do.
What is it?
And what is it?
Mhm.
What all right. What is described in what Plato describes? What Plato's theories of forms is, right? Forms are
Mhm.
like both aspatial, atemporal. They're inherently
Mhm.
transdual. They're
Mhm.
like they're described as aspatial and atemporal and yada yada yada, or dimensionless. You know what I'm
Mhm.
talking about? Beyond all time and
Mhm.
space, unchanging.
Mhm.
Like the primal, most unchanging, unbound form of anything you can have. You know, so
Mhm.
platonic anything's universal by default.
Yeah, like shapes, right?
Yeah, but what proves this is platonic though?
So the concept of shapes did not exist within any dimension.
That's not platonic at all. You know,
They
you
were the
realize
one, and I also
you realize.
you do realize I also
Mhm.
started off with saying they're high hyperversal, right?
Yeah, and so
So it's fine if you want to say they're not universal. They're just high hyperversal. That's not where it stopped.
well, I mean, well, you did say, all right, fine, whatever. I'll give you the high hyperversal. Flash has one shot niggas like
Sweet. I'm not
black
done
races who
scaling.
are universal.
So son and
So, yeah.
daughter were passively, if they were to exist within dimensions, would passively tear apart everything. And that's one
Okay.
of the quotes I posted. And this would
Okay.
include the likes of the Bedlam spirits. So they would passively erase creations like the Bedlam spirits, which are high
Yeah.
hyperversal. Also, I can get you
Okay.
that they are actually the embodiments of good and evil.
Good and evil. So, oh my gosh. Okay. Anyways, I'm back. What are you saying?
So the son and daughter are actually the embodiments of good and evil itself, and
Good
they
and
have to
evil itself.
exist outside. They have to exist outside of dimensions because if they exist within, they'd passively destroy it with
Okay.
their breath.
So they're high hyperversal.
They live in the
They're high hyperversal. Is what you're trying to say?
They're outer versal.
Why would existing outside
Because if
infinite
they
dimensions be
exist,
outer
if
versal?
they exist inside of any of the dimensions, it gets
Well, that's
completely
not outer
torn apart
versal. You do
and
do
destroyed.
realize how much outer
And I just
versal
said
is?
they're the embodiment, and they would be destroying
Yeah,
beings
the
that are high
embodiment. Well,
hyperversal. They
whether
they
they're
transcend the Bedlam spirits.
yeah, it's higher. Not that's infinite dimensional plus one. That's it.
Okay, they're also the embodiment of good and evil.
So
They're the
And?
little. Okay, so do you want me to keep going?
well, something else.
I can keep
So
scaling for you. You can keep trying to lowball, but I can keep scaling for you.
I'm not lowballing. I'm just like
You just don't understand. It's
no,
fine.
no. What you describing
I'm
to me
getting you
isn't
more
outer
scans.
versal. That's what I'm trying
I'm
to
getting you
say.
more scans. So these two characters in their realm, the ethereal realm of Mortis, which transcends dimensions, they
Okay.
were. Let me get this right here.
Transcends dimensions, so infinite dimension plus one.
That's how you interpret it. The rest of
Yeah,
the
transcending
world
infinite
described it
dimensions
as
isn't outer
but
versal.
that's fine. So
It transcends the
Abeloth
very
was
concept of dimensions itself.
casually going to destroy son and daughter at the same time. I just posted that verse from Fate of the
Okay.
Jedi Apocalypse. Now, do you know who erased? Do you know who erased her?
Hyperversal. They scale these people. I'm just saying, like what you described isn't outer versal at all. So I was trying
Okay,
to
you
say.
don't understand what outer versal is. That's fine. I'm
I
also
do
going
understand what outer versal
scaling
is. I mean,
who's
it seems like you.
So, do you understand that Abeloth was casually beating son and daughter from what I just posted?
And just yeah. So
Okay, do you know who was going to erase her?
okay. And why is this relevant? Why does this make any difference to scaling already like
Because
presented?
son and daughter are baseline outer versal.
How are they
As
baseline?
one represents the embodiment of all things good, one
Yeah,
represents the
that's not outer
embodiment of
versal at
all
all.
things evil.
You can,
Okay, what's the platonic concept?
well, what proves platonic?
What's a platonic concept? Because they are above all dimensions and they represent everything that will happen within dimensions itself that pertain to good and evil.
Hold on. Give me like, I'll be back in like 10 minutes. I have to go do something real quick.
All right, who's next? I'll take care of someone else in the meantime.
Why can't I serve you people?
You should just you should convert that audio thing that I sent you in the meantime.
I know, I got it. It was distracting because I saw the title was ha 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 ha.
Yo, Splash, nigger, why can't I serve you people?
Why can't you?
Why can't I?
I don't know. Is that an issue for you? Do you need me to bump you down?
Oh, I didn't know like I had power. It was
You
just
shouldn't
out of
have
curiosity.
powers. You only have ninja.
No, it's because like I at Soyce and told him to peep DM, and when I looked on his profile, I could serve him.
Oh, Merc. I want Merc. Merc, unmute.
Oi, Jaja, try muting someone now.
Okay.
Do you still have that option?
No, I don't. Never mind.
Okay, good.
Okay, what is going on here?
Splash is running a gauntlet against the kids I went against.
It's like just come in here. I'm like, why is Chiraq debating Splash?
Yeah.
I just
Oh
left
boy.
for a few
Infinite +1, boys. Infinite +1. We're learning new things. Now, Merc, can you unmute?
Okay, Splash.
Oh boy.
Merc, I know you're there.
Merc said he couldn't unmute at the moment.
But he was hell about it like 30
I mean,
minutes ago.
Merc just joined unknown.
I guess he can't be about it right now.
Oh, Merc.
All right, King J, I hate it has to be you.
You know,
Are you ready?
Heaven's Apprentice, Surfbone.
Oh my god, no. I know. He DM'd me about shit that Heaven was saying that was retarded. I'd correct
Wait,
him.
Surfbone, you're not La Buldra, are you?
Labudra? No.
Okay. I like
Yes,
you,
he
so I
is.
was hoping you weren't.
No, I'm not. No, Kratos.
Yes, he
no.
is.
I am not Labudra, no.
Yeah,
King
I saw him
J,
hanging out
are
with
you
him
ready?
in the fucking playground yesterday.
No.
King J, where are you? Are y'all like off on a secret meeting? There you are. I saw your thing flutter. There you are.
Say what you said, nigga.
All right, who would you like to use? We don't have to do Outerverse or anything like that. That seems hard for you guys. So, what do you want to do?
Why do we have to debate?
Yeah,
What
King
characters
J,
do you like,
gotta-
buddy? Wait, what did you say?
I'm asking why do we have to debate?
Oh, because I just want to debate you, so you have to debate me. I don't really need your consent in this place.
I'm obligated to
All right,
debate.
so
That's
it
like
won't take long. So, what
dictatorship.
characters do you like?
I don't want to debate you.
Sorry, King J. That's not an option for this test. So, what characters do you
Let it
like?
slide.
Why is it not an option?
What characters do you like, King J?
Why is it not an option? Why am I obligated to debate you?
Okay. Bye.
Rules time.
Yeah, that's what's gonna happen.
I refer you to Rule 19.
Damn.
Tay, Naya seems to like you. You get to live to see another day.
Damn. Count your lucky
Sendai.
stars.
You know what? Sendai's a good sport. Sendai, unmute. I know someone
What's
put
good,
you in
bro?
that gang.
How you doing,
What's
buddy?
up,
It's been a while.
Sendai?
It's been a while. How you doing, bro?
Bro,
Sendai, you
they
don't
count
have to
his
debate.
stars though.
Nice.
Sure,
It's
alright.
Yeah.
like Tay.
I love Sendai, bro. I can't debate Sendai.
I mean, we could do it back in the old days. Remember Iron Fist versus U-Haul?
He used to debate me when I was mad drunk. All right.
Yeah.
Is there anyone else who hired Sendai? They need someone to write down like what happened after people get nuked. What's
Hey, quick question. Can you do why you muted Sex God?
Oh, I'm just
What?
not friends with Sex God. And then I thought I had banned him, but I had only just kicked him. So I made sure he was banned.
Well, I mean, all right.
Fuck Splash.
Just curious.
We don't like particularly have beef or anything. It's just kind of one of those things where like if I'm at my house, right, and a dude comes over and I don't really like him, I'm not gonna be like, hey dude, stay a while. All right, you can go.
My dick
That's
hurts.
just how I feel. That's kind of how I run my server. It'd be like that. Plus, it seems like people are using this as a homeless shelter for the fallen from Seth's server. I just don't like
But
that.
Seth's server had been demolished and conceptually.
Yeah,
erased.
but I'm not a homeless shelter.
Seth gave everyone admin. That shit was funny.
We
Oh,
don't do
that was
charity
funny.
around
Yeah, Kratos. Yeah, Kratos. I still have like scans of me being the most powerful of the server for like a couple minutes.
Yeah.
Cause I'm like, geez, just give me Lord Omar real quick.
Chet, he's fucking banned like 5,000 people or some shit. Or like 500.
Parents like
I guess.
John was the first
What
one
if I
to be
guess you
banned.
can turn it off until Merc shows up?